just putting some exhaust studs in. I've done 2 there, and 2 there. This is a Bandit 600. So the way I do it, I ain't got my tripod with me, so what I'll do is try and hold it, which will be fun. So I lock a couple of nuts on. So we lock them together like so. That adds as like a nut on top, then put some Loctite on. And then basically that gives you something to thread it in with. Trying to do this in video, I've lost my torch now, so I've got my other hand holding this camera. Once you get the thread going, and without a torch, there we've got thread going now. So basically, I don't think I'm even getting this on camera, am I? So basically the outer nut you're using to tighten it up. So because both bolts are locked on now, you can take it all the way into the engine. Hopefully. Oh, there. It's a bit awkward to get into, to say the least. So I've got a socket, and I've got a ring spanner, and I've got an open-ended. I think we're getting there. So I think we're down as far as we can go now. So basically all you do is hold the back one with an open ring or whatever, and then unlock that one. Then you better take that off with your hand, and you better take the other one off with your hand, and then your studs in then. Cheers, I'll finish off doing the other 3. See you again. Right, all done. If you're getting all them, but should do the job. Cheers.